Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create a professional Facebook business page in 2026. Now, even if you're not super active on Facebook, this is still something you should absolutely set up. There are a few big reasons why. So, first, having a business page allows you to run ads not just on Facebook, but also on Instagram and other meta platforms. Second, it helps your business grow on Google faster. Now, new websites usually take time to rank, but Facebook pages are trusted by Google, so they can appear in search results much sooner. Third, there are billions of users on Facebook, so chances are people will look for your business there. And lastly, if you don't create your page, someone else might, and you definitely don't want a fake or impersonator account in there. The good news, setting it up is quick and easy. Let's get started. So let's start by creating your page. So start by logging into Facebook using your personal account. And don't worry, your business page will still be separate from your personal profile. Now, once you're logged in, click the menu icon. So those nine dots in the top right, then click page. Now you'll enter your page details. You have your page name. So this should be your business name. You have category, just pick the closest match. It doesn't have to be perfect. You have bio, which is optional, but highly recommended. For example, if you're selling sunglasses, you might choose something like sunglasses and eyewear store. Step 2, let's add your business info. So next, you can set your business hours. You can choose standard hours or customize them per day. If your schedule is consistent, just copy and paste the same hours across all days. It saves time. You can even add multiple time slots per day if your business operates in shifts. After that, add your address and basic info, then click on next. Now, the next step is your profile and cover photos. So, upload your profile picture, usually your logo, and you need to upload your cover photo too, something that represents your brand. Make sure these look clean and professional since they're the first things people see. Now, once you've done that, next step is to add an action button. So, this is important. Choose what you want visitors to do when they land on your page. So, they can contact you, visit your website, book a service, or send a message. For most businesses, contact us or visit website works best. Then add your website link, then click on continue. Next, this is optional setup, so you'll see options like connecting WhatsApp, inviting friends, turning notifications on or off. So you can skip these for now, but connecting WhatsApp is a good idea later so customers can reach you. So next, let's optimize your page. Once your page is live, don't stop there. It's not fully optimized yet, so go to About section and just fill everything you can. So you have description, you have price range, you have languages, contact details, website links, so you can add up to 10. If you're on multiple platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, add them all. So the easier it is to find you, the better. You can also add services, certifications, promotions like discounts or offers. Now, the goal here is simple: make your page more complete than most others. Next, click More and click on Manage Sections. So from here, you can remove sections that don't matter to your business, like check ins or reviews you don't plan to use. So this keeps your page clean and focused. Next, adjust settings. So go to settings and review a few key things. So make sure your page is visible on search engines, allow messaging, but only if you can reply consistently. Enable recommendations so people can discover your page, and you can also turn off unnecessary notifications, filter out spam or offensive comments, control who can post on your page. Next, let's link your Instagram and WhatsApp accounts. So this makes everything easier. Cross posting content, you have managing messages and growing your audience faster. Now, next, this is where most people mess up. They create a page and then leave it empty. Don't do that. You can post at least 5 to 10 pieces of content right away, like photos, videos, product showcases, and updates. So you want your page to look active and real when people visit it. Also, try to get a few reviews early on. Even a handful of positive ratings can build trust quickly. Now, once your page reaches around 100 followers, it starts to feel more established. So, from here, you can learn how to run ads, boost posts, and grow your reach. So, even if you don't plan to run ads immediately, it's a good skill to have ready when you need it. So take a little extra time to complete everything properly, and that's it. You now have a fully set up Facebook business page. If you don't want to manually post in multiple Facebook groups every day, I'll leave a tool below that automates everything for you. Still posting manually in every Facebook group? You're wasting hours doing something AI can handle in seconds. Meet Groupster. This tool lets you post to all your Facebook groups in one click, automatically rewrite your content using AI, stay consistent without burning out, grow your page faster with less effort. No more copy paste, no more repetitive posting, no more wasted time. Imagine reaching multiple groups daily while doing nothing. If you're building a Facebook page or business in 2026, this is a must have. What are you waiting for? Go to getgroupster.in.